build, so I think we might have won it.
What kind of build are we thinking?
We'll have to see if we win it, and then it'll be on the channel, so. Welcome back, guys. Back to the Net Boys. Over here, we're working on this ramp today. So we got some of this plastic stuff, just like last time. So we went ahead and took off the fuse box, and we had some plastics broken in here, so we went ahead and ordered it. So we just took it out and everything. So we're waiting for that to come in. In the meantime, we did get some parts in, so come on over here, check it out. So.
Hey Junior, what are you doing?
Trying to find a new build, so I think we might have won it.
What kind of build are we thinking?
We'll have to see if we win it, and then it'll be on the channel, so. Oh! Almost there. We got it. That's what I'm talking about. We got a new build coming for the channel. Give us a few days, probably 4 or 5 days over here, something quick, so. Baja Blast. Alright guys, that'll be a wrap for today's video. So tomorrow we'll get back at it, so we'll keep working for more videos and everything. So we got a lot of parts coming in tomorrow, so hopefully we get that going. So in about a month or two, definitely not a month or two, but probably a few weeks, we'll probably have that truck up and running. So stay tuned for the next video, and as always, live life to the thrillest.